We are in rainy Honolulu, Hawaii.
And he is not kidding. It has been raining a lot.
So what do you do on a rainy day in Honolulu? Why not take a hike through a tropical rainforest?
Might as well. You're going to get wet.
All right, so we are at Manoa Falls, very close to Waikiki Beach, which we would highly suggest. If you're anywhere close, you got to come out and see these falls.
Yes, it's only 5 miles, so it's not a bad drive. It does take you a little longer, like 30 minutes to get here because it's residential, but it's great.
All right, so we're going to show you a step-by-step guide to show you how to get to these beautiful falls. And whether you're here on a sunny day or a rainy day, you're going to love it.
Bring a poncho.
Now to get to Manoa Falls, it's pretty simple and it's not too far from Waikiki. Only about 5 miles and a 30-minute drive.
Yeah, you think 5 miles would go faster, but of course you're going through residential neighborhoods, which are really beautiful to see along the way.
So once you get here, there is a $7 parking fee, and that's the only expense.
Yes, the hike itself is free, and there's a snack bar at the bottom, as well as restrooms, so you might want to check that out before heading up for the hike.
And one thing you can't miss, of course, are the chickens.
Yes, they're everywhere. It's so cute.
Yeah, one lady actually picked one up. I'm not sure if the chicken was too happy about that.
But she got it. She waited very patiently to get a hold of that chicken.
All right, so you start the hike. It's pretty easy to start. There is a paved walkway that's kind of behind the parking area, and then not too long you get to the entrance.
Yes, you'll see a trailhead, and we were very pleasantly surprised that there are a lot of rocks on the trail, which make it a little less muddy, but we highly recommend hiking shoes because it can be slick.
Yeah, definitely no flip-flops here.
Now, lots of rocks, mud, and there are little jut outs all along the way to see these little waterfalls that are super cool, but definitely a little muddier to get to those.
Yeah, I believe the little stream that flows down the mountainside is the Waimai stream, and it is really cool to kind of get off the trail, take some snapshots, really just a beautiful little stream with many waterfalls.
Now to get to the falls, the very last leg is going to be pretty steep, so take your time, take some breaks, because it is definitely the steepest part of the hike.
Now the hike itself is about 0.8 miles one way, so uphill 0.8 miles total, a little over a mile and a half. And Becky, would you say a moderate hike?
Yeah, and it's really a cool hike walking through the rainforest.
Yeah, expect the rain. So,
Yeah.
I mean, you're in a tropical rainforest, so it may very well rain. So if that bothers you, maybe bring a poncho.
Yeah, and also I highly suggest, I've been bringing my waterproof bag. It's like a fanny pack almost, but I've been bringing that everywhere we go on this trip, and it's definitely come in handy.
Now, once you make your way to the top, though, the big reveal is pretty amazing.
Yes, and hopefully it won't be pouring rain like it was for us. It was a nice light rain on the way up, but once we got to the falls, man, it just downpoured.
But the payoff, I say, is well worth it. Such a beautiful waterfall.
Oh yes, it is magnificent, so tall.
And one of the benefits about being here in the rainy season, the waterfall is really heavy.
Yeah, we definitely came at the right time.
So you can spend as much time as you want up here just enjoying the beautiful Manoa waterfall. So Becky, was that worth it?
It was. This was awesome. I love this waterfall. It is so big and beautiful.
Yes, when you're in Honolulu, you got to make your way out here. It's an epic spot, and I think hiking through the jungle in the rain, that's a great experience.
Yeah, I liked it when it was lightly raining. It's been downpouring now, which isn't quite as fun, but it's still pretty cool.
Hey, next time we're going to bring a poncho.
Yes, for sure. Well, if you haven't already, make sure to check out all of our Hawaii videos. We're going to show you all the epic spots that you need to check out. And if you haven't already, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all the things. It really helps us out.